guys, I'm Sky of Let's Wonder PH, and I'm here once again to share with you the 10 safety tips for van camping in the Philippines. If you are new to my channel or been watching my videos but not subscribed yet, please subscribe to see more videos with a purpose to help aspiring van campers, travelers, those who love adventures, and more. Thank you so much, stay safe, and rock on!
This video channel was made as a gift for my future self, and I hope to share it with my grandchildren.
Number 1. If you are using an old vehicle, make sure to have it checked first by a trusted mechanics or electrician before driving it, because you surely don't want to get stranded in the middle of nowhere or highway, or worse, in a dark place. Aside from the security, you don't want to get in trouble by having a car accident. Number 2. Plan your trips. Decide where you are going. How long will it take you there? Will there be a gas station, convenience store along the way? Because in a long drive, there's a tendency that you will fall asleep. So you may want to park in a 24-hour gas station with toilet or in front of the convenience store. These are good ideas, especially if you're driving alone or with your kids. Also, as much as possible, arrive before sundown so you can see your surroundings and be familiarized. In addition, do research for the nearest police station, hospital, and auto mechanics. Yes, auto mechanics, not just in your destination, but a mechanic for every city or towns that you will pass by. Facebook will be a good help to research or to search for an on-call mechanics or electrician. One more thing, I am using a Motolite battery, and they have this Motolite Rescue app that I can use in case of emergency. They can send you a mechanic or a new battery in case you need one, or any assistance that you may need. Actually, I have used it thrice already, and it was a really big help. Number 3. Make the driver's seat vacant at all times. This is in case you need to drive away quickly. That is why it is very important to be a minimalist. Only bring what you need. If you can keep all your stuff under your bed, the better, so you can jump from your bed to the driver's seat quickly. Number 4. Park in a getaway mode. If possible, make sure to park your car in a direction where you can escape quickly. And make sure that you know where you keep your car keys, or better, keep it with you while you sleep. Number 5. Pepper spray. Get at least 2 and place them near the driver's seat and 1 near your bed where you can easily jump on it in case of emergency. Before, I planned to bring a pellet gun or an air gun thinking that I can scare the intruders away. But I was told by a fellow camper that this is not a good idea, as it might only provoke a fight, and what if that person has a real gun? Makes sense, right? But this is one of the benefits of camping with other people, because you will learn from them. Outdoor sensor light. Using a light outside your van can help deter intruders. Use at least 3. Place on both sides of your vehicles and 1 at the back. Number
7.
Travel with groups. If you can, travel with group of campers. Aside from good companion and that you will learn from them, it will be much safer.
Number 8.
Privacy shades. This is really important because aside from blocking the heat to penetrate into your van, this will also prevent the people passing by to see the inside of your van.
Number 9.
CCTV. If you can, install a CCTV inside your van. There is a high-tech CCTV now that can send a trigger to your phone whenever they detect a movement inside your van. By this, you can call for help right away, or at least you have a video to show to the authorities as the video can be saved to the cloud.
Number 10.
Lockbox. This is for your valuable like laptops, passports, IDs, ATM cards, and cash. Because you cannot bring all these items all the time, so better to have a lockbox inside your van for security. So what to do during a robbery? Well, remain calm and do not resist. Assure the robber you will cooperate and take no action that may endanger your safety. Don't make any surprising movements. Don't argue and follow the robber's directions. In short, do not fight back. Again, do not fight back. Your money or any materials that they will take can be replaced, so be wise enough not to fight. After the robbery, go immediately to a safe location, then report the crime. For almost 2 years of camping with our van, we never experienced any hassle like this or something that put our lives in danger. Because just like what I have said, we plan our trips and we are ready for any dilemmas we may face during the travel. Always remember, things will go wrong on the road. It's a fact that we cannot avoid, so better be ready for it. Aside from what I have shared, do not forget to bring along basic tools, emergency items like a fire extinguisher and an emergency kit in your van, and make sure to have a budget too when things go wrong.
I hope this will be some of help, and I wish to see you on the road and be able to camp with you soon. Keep safe for now.
Please subscribe and like and share. Rock on. Thank you.